Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Hanging Out with Me in my kitchen space. In today's recipe, let's make some lemon tea. This is not the usual type of lemon tea you make at home, and this is lemon tea with a twist. And by the end, after you've made this, everybody will be asking like, how did you prepare this? And I'm here to give you my secret, and I'm only having 4 ingredients. And with me here, I have some sugar, I have some tea leaves, I have my lemon, of course, and on the other side, I have my water that is heating up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I mentioned, this is not the ordinary type of lemon tea that you usually have, because you're not going to be slicing this, but you're going to be grating it. You'll need this, and we're going to use this to grate our lemon so that it can release the natural oils, and that's going to bring the flavor and the aroma in our tea today. So in today's recipe, we are not using milk, and I'm not going to grate this on a plate, because when I grate it on a plate, some of the oils are going to be left inside the plate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate this directly into my sufuria. Let's head to the other side and let me show you the magic. So I have my water that is almost coming to a boil, and I'm going to add in my tea leaves. So you can add as much tea leaves as you prefer or as little as you like it. So I've added about a tablespoon. I'm going to grate my lemon inside here, and make sure not to grate the white part. So we are lightly going to grate it. So you can see these are the oils that I'm talking about. Hizi ndizo zinaleta utamu and the flavor in our tea today. So that should be enough, and as you can see, we have exhausted almost all the lemon peel, and I'm going to slice this into 2 and extract the juices. So now that my tea is boiling, I'm going to let it boil for another 3 to 5 minutes so that the tea leaves can be well incorporated into the drink, and then I'm going to add some sugar. So for the sugar, you can decide to add it directly into the tea or into your cup as you serve it, but for me, I'm just going to do the easy way because I'm having all this tea right now, because I've already measured the water, and I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to mix this well so that my sugar can dissolve, and our tea is basically done. As you've seen, it was that easy. So as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this tea, and we've come to the end of today's episode, and I can guarantee you that my kitchen is very aromatic at this moment, and it's now time to have a taste test. Wow, this tastes like heaven in water form. Wow, this drink is perfect for a very cold night, and also if you want to have sweet drinks and have a very peaceful night, check out my cinnamon and honey milk, and I guarantee you that you're going to have the best night of your life. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.